Hey, wake up! Wake up! Can someone explain to me why my cat's obsessed with my bras? Penny! Psst. McDonald's accidentally put a sausage on my biscuit this morning, and I put it in that bag along with all the other trash in my car, and this just pulled it out. She's not even eating it, she's just slapping it. What the what? What? What is he doing?
Oh, sweetheart. This way.
You comfortable? Are you comfortable up there? Sir? 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 Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Yeah, the cat's hiding from you. He's got a safe spot. And he likes to sleep there in the sun.
Bullshit.
Bullshit? Did you just say bullshit?
What happened when you jump into the toilet bowl? You can't get in the toilet.
This bird will not stop barking.
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Hey kid, you'll buy a cat? Something wrong with it, I'll give you a good deal. Suit yourself.
Hey! You break them, you buy them. And you don't make any money.
What you looking at, buddy? What's going on?
Boa noite, Benjamin. A cenourinha tá com saudade de você. Que isso? Nossa! Você não tá com saudade da cenourinha, não? Benjamin, olha que linda a cenourinha. Dá um abraço nela.
Okay, so this is the this is the kitten, huh?
Give her a kiss.
A kiss? I don't know if I can okay, I gotta make contact here. Just gonna touch it. Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it, Meredith. Oh, Jesus.
What exactly? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is... Oh God, I'm gonna pee my pants. This is so funny.
Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was quite alright. Actually, she specifically said not to do this, but...
Our new kitten is a terrorist.
Why is it spicy?
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
MJ, you know you're not trapped in there, right?
Felix, get out of the freezer. Come on, get out.
Yeah, your feet are sticking to the bottom. Yeah, come on, don't lick it.
What?